This next recipe is from my daughter Alexis, who cooks 3 meals a day for anywhere from 3 to 5 people. So she's really busy and she loves to make beautiful food, and this is a beautiful salad. And it's extremely delicious. The trick is to cut all of the vegetables into similar sized pieces so that each bite offers a colorful mix of flavors. First thing, corn goes into boiling water. I always add a touch of sugar, don't tell Alexis, and coarse salt. About a half a teaspoon of salt and just a big pinch of sugar. And cook the corn for 6 minutes. Now, string beans are cut into about 1/4 inch pieces and eliminate the tip. That won't look pretty in the salad, so just cut them into 1/4 inch pieces. Have a pot of water boiling, and again, the water should be lightly salted. It does impart a very nice flavor to the beans. So this one's ready to go right back into the bowl. And this can go right into our pot of water. I'll put the green beans in first. And yellow beans. These are called wax beans or yellow beans. I love the color of them. They're so pretty. And Alexis's children love this salad. They've been brought up on a lot of vegetables. And I think that when everything is cut up into a similar size, it's very appealing to young children. They think it's all just for them. So here's the yellow beans. They're a little bit more tender than the green beans, and so they can be put in now. I have a bowl of iced water right here next to me. And you see the ice is in the water, and then I have a strainer set into the iced water. That way no ice is going to get into the vegetables when I finally take them out. Look at the color, isn't that great? So keep cooking those. Now I've pre-prepped all the other vegetables except the last tomato, just to show you. A plum tomato is good to use for this particular salad because it doesn't really have very many seeds. It's a lot of pulp. Don't take the skin off. Just slice the tomato and squeeze out the seeds. Take the beans out of the water. Oh, they look perfect. Okay. We're just waiting for the corn. 6 minutes, and it should be ready to cool off. It smells so good. Again, this can be chilled also to make it easier to handle. Dry the corn on a towel, and you can take it off right onto the towel. It's perfect. And then just slice right close to the cob, but don't take the cob with it. Break up the corn. Looks so pretty. So now we're ready to use this corn. This can go right into your salad bowl. And now the string beans can also be dried in the same towel. Oh, they look perfect. Add your tomatoes, your English cucumber that's been peeled, red pepper deveined and seeded, yellow pepper deveined and seeded, red onion. And of course you could use white onion, green onion, beautiful cilantro leaves, jalapeno pepper, and dump in your string beans, golden and green. Sprinkle with black pepper and 2 teaspoons of salt and best quality olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's 1, 2. And rice vinegar. This is Japanese rice vinegar. It is really good. And this too, 2 tablespoons. And toss. Wouldn't you like to have this for lunch today or dinner? It is a very, very special and, as you can see, easy to make salad. So there you have chopped salad a la Alexis. This salad really became one of my favorites. I hope it becomes one of yours as well. Enjoy.